In this video, we're going to talk about how to get started with Microsoft Office, how to download it, get it onto your computer, and start using it. Many of you will already have the Microsoft Office suite installed on your computer. If you don't, I'm going to walk you through how to get it onto your computer. Again, as a student of Great Falls College, you already have access to this. So if you do not know if you have Microsoft Office and you're using a Windows machine in Windows 10, you can come down to the search bar here and just type Word. If it pops up and it says Word app, then you know you're good. It's already installed on your machine. If it does not say Word app, if it says something else, then you need to go ahead and download the app to put it on your computer. To do that, we're going to go over to Office.com. Same way we did to get into Microsoft Teams. And you're going to go ahead and sign in. So you can sign in with your Net ID. Remember, we talked about that with Microsoft Teams again. Your Net ID again is the letter, 2 numbers, letter and 3 numbers. And this is why I say go ahead and say stay signed in, because you're going to be logging in frequently. So again, you get into this main screen here. And you have all these options up here. These are the online versions of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. We cannot use these for this course. You need the full desktop version. So if you try to go into Word here and you do your entire projects, they're not going to work. You need all of the functionality that comes with the whole project. So up here in the top corner, we have something that says Install Office. And if you download that, or you click that, you can say download the Office 365 apps. If you are not using a Windows machine, you might need to click the other install options to pick a Mac or something along those lines. When you click that, it's going to pop up and it's going to say you have chosen to open Office Setup. Do you want to save it or cancel? Go ahead and save the file, and it'll download it to your downloads directory. And after it has downloaded, depending on which browser you have, will determine how to get it. This is in Firefox, so when I save things, I need to come up here to my downloads directory and click it. If you do this in Chrome or in Edge, it should automatically run it for you. When you do, it will pop up your screen, and it will go ahead and start an installer process. Go ahead and let it run through and let it go ahead and install. Once it is finished installing, it'll pop up and say, you're all set, Office is now installed, and click Start to view your apps. You can go ahead and close that down, and then you click your Start menu here, and your apps will have shown up. I already have it installed, so it'll be under your Microsoft Office options, so each of the different words. So I can type in Word now, and it should say Word app. And if I could type in Excel, and it should say Excel. Make sure it says app underneath it, because that's really important that you got the app part of it. Once you have that installed, you can use those apps to do your projects. So if I type in Word, sorry, it opened up on the other screen. It will look something similar to this, Home, New, and Open. Most of the time you are either going to be opening a file or doing a new file. And we'll walk through a little bit of this in the MindTap program to show you how to get started in Microsoft Office. At this point, you may need to set up your account. So up here, if it says sign in and it does not have your account name, or you are using your personal account. If you already have a Microsoft Office 365 account, that's fine. You do not need to add your own for the school, but you can. So in this case, if you click on the account button down here at the bottom, I can sign out of my personal user and I can sign in to, again, my Net ID. Sorry. Go ahead and sign in. Again, you'll get real used to this screen. Enter in your D2L password, which is the same as your Office 365. And you will see that it will log you in under your school account. It will also connect to your OneDrives for the school, and it will tell you the account options that you have. Again, as a student of the school, you should have access to Microsoft Office 365 Pro Plus, which includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, Outlook, OneNote, and Publisher, and Skype. So this gives you some options on what you have. Again, you can still go to your home and view your screen options from here.